Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is such an immense, it gives me an immense pleasure to see such an audience after such a long time. So, back to school. I have been called upon by the management to talk about what are the safety tips or the health advices which I as doctor can give you, parents as well as children, to ensure that we at least try our best to be safe. I can understand the apprehensions which you must be facing, right? कैसे भेजेंगे? कुछ हो गया तो? Will my child be able to cope up? Will he take all the precautions? Yes, isn't it? All these are apprehensions which you parents must be having right now. Before I talk, I'll just let you know that if there are any apprehensions from your point, that आपको कुछ पूछना है after I complete my talk. If there's anything any parent would like to, if they are very inquisitive, if you have any doubt in medical terms, what should you do? You can ask me. You feel free to ask me that question. Okay. So now, before I come to the students, first I would like to interact with the parents. Pehli cheez, I would request all the parents not to avoid their children's concerns about going back to school. Talk to them. Don't avoid their concerns. Don't give a deaf ear. बोलते रहते. No. Have a positive environment. Listen to them. Listen to their questions and their feelings and try to solve them, or at least pretend that you do understand their concerns. ठीक है? Give them a positive environment that you are going to be a better person. यहाँ पर जो आप पढ़ सक रहे थे, इससे 10, 20, 30 ज़्यादा गुना you will be studying there. Give them that positive enthusiasm. Prepare them, like the logo says, prepare for success. Don't push them to be successful. Prepare them. See, it is very difficult. Not only you have gone through the mental stress, even the children. Switch robots थोड़ी ना है, यहाँ से switch on करो, यहाँ पे switch कर दो, यहाँ से switch करो, यहाँ से switch कर दो. It's not easy. It's not easy for them also. You need to be their mental strength, as well as you should be there for their physical strength as well, isn't it? Eat well, sleep well, drink well. At least 8 to 10 glasses of hydration is very important, isn't it? Fever, what kills the fever? Feed the fever, it will go off bolte hai in medical terms. Eat well, drink well. Make sure that your child takes a water bottle full, at least 1 liter water bottle. Of course, I will request the management to provide safe water as well in the institute. Do send their lunch boxes with them. Avoid outside food. Definitely avoid outside food. Give healthy foods. Okay, and of course I can understand that there has been a change in the sleeping pattern. है ना? Sleeping pattern completely change हो गया है. Late to bed, late to rise. Then देखेंगे online class. No, now it is early to bed, back early to rise. It will take some time. Make sure they get enough sleep. Of course, sleep enough मिलने से there will be increase in the focus and concentration. Okay, initially it will be little difficult. Do help them, encourage them, give proper nutrition to them, plan their nutrition. सुबह उठ के क्या कुछ तो पका के जल्दी देना है? No. At least for the next 1 month, plan proper food diet for them, so that they stay healthy and strong. Avoid outside food. I tell again and again, not only COVID, nowadays there is a rise of typhoid fever as well. So it's better avoid outside food. Okay, this season, especially this rainy season. Okay, and then what else? Eat and social distancing. I know it is very difficult, but see students, everybody right now after COVID pandemic knows, हमको अपना ख्याल खुद रखना है. You have to take care of yourself. Make sure you are wearing the mask most of the time. कोई वजह से नीचे हो गया, you see somebody who is not well, try to maintain distance from them. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको हम bully कर रहे हैं कि तुम दूर रहो. No, in a very positive way. Isolate yourself when you are not well. छींक आ गई, sneeze it at your elbow. Whenever possible, wash your hands with soap and water. Carry a small sanitizer bottle with you. Okay, and most importantly is avoid stress. Stress से क्या होता है ना, it decreases your immunity, it decreases your immune system. और जब आपकी immunity कम होती है तब सारे वायरस, बैक्टीरिया, फंगस सब जने समझ जाते हैं कि इस इंसान के पास जाना है, to cause infections and problems. So don't let the virus get into your body by decreasing your immunity. And how should you not decrease your immunity? By not taking stress, having a positive attitude, eat well, sleep well, drink well. Always wear a mask. That's very important. Not only COVID, there are other viruses which are around which will be obviously inhibited. Okay. Once you have met after a long time, don't get a lot of indulged with everybody. Try to maintain good distance from each other. We are here with some purpose, right? We can understand the lot of, the loss, the educational loss which has happened over a period of time. Even though they were online classes, but yahan par, sitting here, it was an all-round development of a child. So if we want that back, each and every person should feel responsible and work on it. You as a parent are responsible to provide good food, good environment for your child. As a child, you are responsible for your own health. I am supposed to see, for example, खुदा ना खास्ता कोई बीमार पड़ता है, सफर तो वही करता है, others are just concerned. But the pain आपको खुद को लेना है वो, isn't it? So to make sure that we don't suffer खुदा ना खास्ता that pain, we have to take care of ourselves. Maintain distance as much as possible. You should know for what purpose you are here. Back to school, try to do that. Wear your mask. Observe social distance as much as possible. Do not, after the school also, do not unnecessarily move around. Go back to your homes. Wash your hands. Have at least 4 times a day food. Parents, I request you again and again, plan nutrition for your kids and provide them and give them a very positive and enthusiastic environment so that they can focus on what they are supposed to do. After coming back to school from school, they get exhausted. Be prepared. I will do this. At least for the few days, at least for the next 1 month, completely concentrate on them, understand them, talk to them, understand their feelings. And students, I would request you to be very positive, enthusiastic, as well as feel responsible. Okay? And if there is any specific query from medical point of view, kindly ask me. I will definitely try my best to guide you. Parents or student, if you have any query, आपके दिल में कोई बात है medical related कि मुझे पूछना है, before going back to school, I am either here or I am still there. You can just come and ask me. Okay? Thank you so much.
Madam, for those wonderful tips. I wish to assure you that we shall follow them and we